If you don't have a vision for your own life, then you're living in someone else's vision. And most of the time, it might not be in your best interest. And if you are interested in creating your own epic life vision, make sure you stick around until the end of this video. Because by the end of this video, you'll be able to lay the foundations for your own vision. And if you stay around with me, you get a special invitation. Hi, my name is Hamzah, and if you're looking for transformational ideas and concepts to expand your life, be sure to subscribe to my channel and be notified whenever I post a video. So why do we even need a life vision? What's the whole purpose of that? Well, if you don't have a vision, chances are big that you'll just wander around, confused and frustrated in your life. Because deep inside, most people know that they can do more, that they want to do more, but social conditioning and other influences are keeping them small. Because we humans are meant to grow. This is how we are actually designed, to expand, to multiply our skills, and to make the most of our lives. And confusion and frustration happens when we don't have clarity. And I have found out there are different stages that someone goes through his life. And there are two types of people. And I was both of them in different stages in my life. Number one, the ones that don't have a vision. And there is no shame with that. I want to, really important, to recognize that there is no shame. Because you can always get clearer in your life by taking action, by consuming the information, by seeking out for help. And this is not a place where most people want to stay. So in stage number two, or the second type of people, are those that want to create their own vision. They know they have something, they want to expand, but they are missing the strategies and the tactics. And this video is designed to apply to both of these stages. Because I have been in both of those stages, and I want to share a framework that worked incredibly well for me. And I'm not claiming to know all the answers, because I'm still improving and shaping this framework. But the important thing is to realize that if you want to get clarity and lay the foundations for your vision, then you have to look at your life more on a holistic level. And this is what I believe in. I believe in creating a harmonious life vision. And the framework contains the 7 areas of our lives. And there is no particular order. This is just randomly for the video. Now we have health, business or career, finances, relationships, social, environment, and self-development. Now the important thing to do here is to first rate all categories of your life. And you do that in a non-judgmental way. This is really important. Because if you rate, let's say you get really honest with yourself, and this is also the key in this process, you give yourself like a 1 or a 2 in finances, and you feel ashamed and guilty and bad about that. This is very important. Do not shame yourself if you scored very low in some categories. Okay? Watch all these motivational and inspirational speakers talk about create your vision, have your passion, all that. But I didn't take action because I didn't have the systems and strategies. And until I get my mentors walking me through frameworks like this, I wasn't able to break through and create my epic life vision. And today the purpose of this video is to lay for you the foundation and to use a framework like this. But this is only possible if you actually apply the information. And I can say this to you because for a long time I was just consuming and feeling good, learning new stuff. Then I realized actions create clarity. And this is what I want you to take from this video. Okay, now you have rated yourself. Let's say you give yourself in your career a 6, relationship a 5, environment, physical environment, you give yourself a 4, self-development, you're consuming this kind of information. Let's say you are learning, you are growing, you give yourself here 8. Then health, you give yourself a 6. What else? Social, you give yourself 8. You have good friends, you have good family. Now the key is, even if you have high scorings, you can still get better, because we are laying the foundation for the life vision. And the thing is, we want to create a harmonious life where we just don't go all in on business or finances and miss out the social part and the health part. And this is what happens with a lot of people that focus too much on their career and solely on their career, and they miss out on the other things of life. They might be very successful on the surface, but deep inside in their private space, they have a lot of issues. And by studying a lot of successful people, I found out the happiest ones are those that have a harmonious life. I made a video on how to get clarity. Make sure you watch this after this video. And comment below if you find this information helpful. So after you have set your small goals or the little action steps in each section, the next powerful thing you can do is to actually make a little story for each area and to really describe how it would feel attaining this small goal. And this is really powerful. And if you write it out on a journal or in a sheet of paper, what happens is you have made the mind-body connection. And this is really important, because most of the time we conceptualize things in our mind. We have these ideas and inspirations, but if we don't write it down, if we don't record them somewhere, we humans are very prone to forgetting things. And this is why doing exercises like this give you more clarity. Now the thing with clarity is also, as I said before, actions create clarity. And I also made a video on how to find your purpose by using the Ikigai model. Make sure you watch this after this video too. I put somewhere here or here the link. Creating your own life vision should be an exciting process. And I'm very passionate about that, and this is why I created my own Facebook group where you can join with the link in the description box below, where I share deeper insights into self-transformation and all the stuff we are talking about here. Let me know with a like below if you found this video helpful. Share it with someone that could benefit from it. And thank you so much for watching this video. I sincerely hope it helped. See you soon.